Hello everyone, welcome back to Everyday Kelly. My name is Kelly. So it's been a while since I've done a video, but what better way to come back with a video than with a purse unboxing? So if you clicked on this video, you already know what purse it is. It is the Coach Cassie 19. I have had my eye on this purse for a couple of months now. It was actually on my Christmas list, but I didn't get it. But to be fair, I did have quite a few purses on my Christmas list, and I did get quite a few purses, but just not this one. So when it went on sale for Boxing Day, I decided to grab it. I have actually been looking at this style as well, the Coach Cassie, for about a year now. And a couple of years ago, they came out with a really nice pink color. But of course, that one is discontinued. And when I saw this one in this particular color, I thought it looked really nice. So hopefully, I'm hoping that I'm not going to be disappointed. I'm hoping that I'm going to like the color. So here is the box. So this came, I've been waiting to do this. So this came quite a few days ago, and I've been waiting to do the unboxing. I also heard from other people in watching other people's videos in doing, in showing Coach purses from the boutique, that if you select gift packaging, that it will come in a nice gift box. So I'm not sure if that's what's going on here, but we will see when we open it. Because I think this is actually the first purse that I've actually bought from the Coach boutique, like the retail store, as opposed to the outlet. I do have one other purse that's actually behind me right now. This one here, which is the Studio Baguette. And this one it's the Reserve Collection, which I believe are purses that are from the boutique and then they get sent to the outlet. I get a little bit nervous when I'm doing unboxings just because I find that I'm not very good at them. There's kind of a lot of things that you have to manage at one time. But I think that just means that I just have to get better at them. So let's get into this and do this unboxing. Okay, so there's just a little bit of stuff that I have to cut away. And then hopefully it should easily open. Okay, let's see. This is the moment of truth. What are we gonna find? Okay, so I'm gonna spin it around so that we can see. And then I'll hold it up a little bit. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Okay. So the box itself, the shipping box says Coach, and then it has like this really nice packaging. I'm gonna flip it down. And then try to hold it up as best I can. So it has this really nice packaging that has the Coach symbol on the sticker. So let's get into it and see what else is in here. Okay, yeah, so it did come in a really nice gift box. So duly noted. Hopefully that helps all of you guys out there. If you want your Coach purse to come in a nice gift box, then select gift packaging, okay? Because it comes in this really nice box with this really nice brown ribbon. So that is awesome. Okay, so it came really nicely packaged. Just got some extra stuff in there. So I'm just gonna close this up and then we're gonna get rid of the box. Okay, so now we can look at the box properly, and it's got a little postcard on top that just says, "Thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase." And just a little bit of details there. That's okay. I'm sure I will enjoy my purchase. Now, the only thing with these nice gift boxes is that I never want to open it. It looks so nice. I don't really, I just want to look at it, but it's meant to be open. So let's go ahead and open it. I don't think I'm going to undo. Let's see if I can get it off. Without undoing. Okay, there we go. I think, okay. So I was able to just get the ribbon off. Okay, let's see if we can hold it up and then we can look at this together. Okay. The box itself, I have to say, is really nice quality. It has like this design on it, these little ridges. So there's the dust bag. Okay. So just your standard Coach dust bag. I really like the size of the purse too. So Cassie 19 refers to the size of it. I'm not sure if it's the height or if it's the width of the purse that they're calculating, but it's a little bit smaller than the original Coach Cassie that came out a few years ago. I do not have one. Okay, so here is what it looks like. So this is, okay, let me turn it around. Okay, so this is the Coach Cassie in deep plum and brass. It's a little bit more of a purpley color than I was anticipating, I think. I was anticipating it to be, well, I guess if it's deep plum, it's going to be purple, but I was kind of more so anticipating it to be a little bit more of like a wine color maybe, but maybe it is that color. I don't know, we'll see. It's different than anything that I have. I do have a Kate Spade that is kind of like a burgundy color. So this is a little bit more purpley. Okay, so right away I can tell you it feels really nice. It's got a nice weight to it. It feels quite solid. And let's see, so it's got the top handle. Okay, and the brass detailing around the sides, and the top handle is detachable. And then it's got your Coach C here in the brass, and on the back, it's got a little slip pocket in the back there. Okay, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So we've just got some packaging material. And I'm actually going to pull the box over so I have something to kind of lay it on. Okay, that might make it a little bit easier. Okay, so we've got the crossbody, the adjustable crossbody strap, which is really nice. Lately, I have actually been thinking a lot about the fact that I do like a detachable crossbody strap because the way that it's packaged, I find leads to less like kinking in the strap itself, which is then hard to get out later on. So I like, and then when I'm storing it, I like to take it off and fold it nicely and put it inside the bag so that it doesn't get ruined. So this looks really nice. So it's got that. And okay, let's have a look, more packing. Oh, it's got another strap. Okay. So there's some more packing material. And then it has, let me just get this off here because it's actually attached to the inside. Just going to cut it off. I don't remember reading about this when I was reading the details, but then it actually has another one of those heavy chain, brass colored chain straps, which is really nice. Okay. And then it has, so now that all the packing material is removed, let's have another look at it. Okay, so there it is. So the Coach Cassie 19 in deep plum and brass. And when you open it up, it has a nice lining that says Coach. So it's got an opening in the back part. It has your main large opening there, and then it has another small slip opening in the front. So there's a lot of room in this purse. It has the back part as well. Your back pocket as well, which is really nice. So it looks like there is a lot of room in this purse for kind of this like compact look. The leather feels really nice. It feels really soft. I am now regretting a little bit not getting a matching wallet to go with it. They did have a wallet in the deep plum as well. I decided not to get it. I don't think they have it anymore. I think it sold out really quickly. But I'm sure hopefully if I keep my eyes open, I can find something like a card case or something to match it. I really love the feel of this pebbled leather. It's really beautiful. I really love the size of it. I will put on one of the crossbody straps to wear over my shoulder because I'm not a big fan of holding my purses in the crook of my arm. I just find it to be very uncomfortable, but I feel like I'm gonna have to get a little bit used to this color. It is quite purpley. I think on the camera it's coming off a little brighter, but it's a little bit more of a muted plum purple color. It's very beautiful. But whenever I'm choosing a color for a purse, sometimes it always goes in the back of my mind. If they don't have pink, then I'm looking and thinking maybe I should get the black one. Even though I've only got one fully black purse in my collection, sometimes I think maybe I should go with the black because sometimes black can look really nice. And the Cassie 19 looks really nice in black. But I decided to go with this deep plum because I felt like it was really striking. So I think I would count this one as a successful unboxing. The original price on this one was $360 Canadian, and I think I paid just about $222 for it with all of the discounts. So I think that was a really good deal for this Coach Cassie 19. I think they still have some of these ones and ones in like a white ivory sort of color and a black as well, in case you want to go ahead and get one for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope I was able to show you enough of the purse that you could kind of see it well enough. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos that are similar to this, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in another video.